All right, so I am on the Carnival Miracle, and I had this wonderful idea actually given to me by a subscriber, and they said, what kind of menu combos can you do on Carnival that are not really on the menu? So these are going to be secret menu items. I'm going to take you to different places and combo some things that you can get at one place or another and make your own meal. So let's start this off here. This is going to be over a couple days, so I'm going to be wearing different things. This is going to be pieced together, but I wanted to show you some things that you can get, let's just say, that's not on this ship.
Secret Asian man.
Secret Asian man. That you can get, let's say, from Shaq's Big Chicken, and then you can go to the pizza place and get pizza and make something like that. But this is the Carnival Miracle. We don't have any Shaq's Big Chicken yet because they haven't done that huge 55-day dry dock renovation, which I will talk about too in March. But let's kick this off here. I am at the salad bar, and I know most of you guys probably wouldn't come to the salad bar, but I have a really big hankering for a salad today. But I don't want any of their proteins on the salad bar. What I want, I want that big buffalo chicken fillet, and I'm going to cut it up, and we're going to have a fried, kind of like a fried chicken salad, Cobb salad, and I'm going to show you how to make it here on Carnival. So let's start with the salad bar. All right, so like I alluded to here, I have my little Cobb salad. And we are now at the deli. So I'm going to get this buffalo chicken, just the chicken. We're going to have ourselves fried Cobb salad. That's right, with ranch. And I'm going to show you a secret that I'm going to do with the ranch dressing, with the sauces at the end. Stay tuned. Here we go. I didn't even get it heated up because it's going over chicken. It's going over salad. So I got our chicken here, okay? And then here is the secret sauce. You get yourself some ranch and some of this truffle aioli. You put it right in the ranch, just a little bit. I only like a little bit. There you go. We'll mix that up. And bam. You got yourself the fried Cobb salad. Made pretty easy. I mean, the salad bar is only over here and the deli's over here, but that is your first combo menu hack on Carnival. Stay tuned for more. All right, so tell me this doesn't look absolutely delicious. Fried chicken Cobb salad. Let's see. Chicken is cold too. I don't like hot chicken on my salad. I don't know if you guys do. Not a hot chicken salad guy. Oh yeah. Oh. That ranch and the truffle. Oh. Also really good for fries, but a salad, 8.7 out of 10. You gotta try it. I know you don't usually do salads on a cruise, but hey, I'm on a 15-day cruise. You can't just eat all the carbs every single day. You just can't do it. Okay, so starting us off here, combo menu hack, fried chicken Cobb salad. Salad bar, make your own salad, Cobb salad, any version you want. Get that ranch dressing if you like ranch. Hop on over to the deli and get that fried buffalo chicken. If you like it hot, you can get it hot, but I like it cold. Just got it normal. Cut it up in little pieces. Put a little of that truffle aioli in that ranch right there. Chef's kiss.
All right, so Scott's been telling me he's making this combo menu item thing. And we were going to go to Guy's Burgers, but for some reason, the burgers close at 4 o'clock on this ship. And look, I was going to go to the deli, right? And I was going to get the chicken sandwich and then put it on the Guy's Burger and then put bacon on the top. And you know what you call that?
You're going to do that? Yeah.
Call that the Barnyard. We're going to do that another day. But this, I'm calling the Turducken. Now, let's be very clear. There's no duck or no chicken here. It's turkey. It's the turkey and Swiss sandwich. We got turkey. We got Swiss. I've added buffalo sauce to it, added bacon to it, and added ham to it. So it's kind of like a respectable version of a croque madame. But then I put barbecue sauce. Now I will tell you my one criticism. I'm gonna try in a minute and see if it's any good. So far I haven't tried it. The pretzel bun's a little stale-ish because they come from the freezer. I'm just saying, like, you can tell they come from the freezer. But can I fit my mouth around it? That has layers, like an onion. I don't know what would make it better. I gotta get some of that Southwest chicken, put it on. You can get all the proteins, but it's not bad. Do not do this if there's a line at the deli. But if you're in the deli and all alone, go and experiment. And if you're on the Excel class ships, They have even more options on the Excel class ships. So there we go.
Oh, Richie's got a new combo menu item for the vlog. What do you got?
Okay, dokie. So one of my favorite things in the dining room is the chicken cordon bleu, and I have now invented a chicken cordon bleu sandwich.
Let me flip it around. I'll flip it around for you guys. Oh.
What do? You get the buffalo chicken sandwich with no buffalo. You ever put ham on top and a triple slice of Swiss cheese? I don't know if this is any good or not. I've not tried it yet. You can add pickles and tomatoes to taste.
Chicken cordon bleu from the deli.
It looks like something you get from an Arby's, doesn't it?
It really does. All right, let us know. Chicken cordon bleu.
Oh, that's a winner right there.
No, chicken cordon bleu.
Sweetness of the ham, hardness of the cheese, and chicken. That's a winner.
There you go. Combo menu item, chicken cordon bleu from the deli. Thank you very much. Woo! Right, so I am back for another add-on to the menu combo items. Now, I actually took this one from Richard. He has named this the Barnyard. Now, if you think about what's in a barnyard, right? Let's think about what's in a barnyard animal-wise. You got chickens, you got cows, and sometimes you got pigs. Maybe not on Carnival because they give you a limited supply of bacon. But let's pretend for a minute, okay? So if I was taking a barnyard, we would have our cow, we would have our chicken, and let's pretend there's bacon on here, right? So the way that we're going to make this barnyard, we're going to go and get any style Guy's burger that you want. We're going to get the #1 buffalo chicken from the deli without the sauce and without the bun. We're going to place it on top of here. We have some chipotle mayo and some onions and some other things. And look at this bad boy. This is the Barnyard. Now let's give it a taste. I have officially actually never had the Barnyard. Look at that fatty little blatty. Oh yeah. If you're on a Carnival ship, you should get yourself a Barnyard. Now, it does take a few steps to get it, but man, oh man, is it worth it. You got chicken, you got beef, it's supposed to be bacon. They ran out of bacon. I didn't have any, or they were lying to me, I don't know. But Barnyard, 9 out of 10. So go and get yourself a Barnyard.